Mindfulness practices can be done through conscious breathing or body scan techniques. We will be going through the conscious breathing technique, in which we will be focusing on our breath. Take a moment to find a comfortable position, either sitting upright in a chair or lying down on your back. Close your eyes gently, or soften your gaze if you prefer to keep them open. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling slowly through your mouth. Release any tension you might be holding in your shoulders, your jaw, or anywhere else in your body. Now bring your attention to your breath. Feel the natural rhythm of your breathing, the rise and fall of your chest or abdomen. Don't try to force or control your breath, simply observe it. Notice the coolness of the air entering your nostrils with each inhale and the warmth of the air leaving with each exhale. Imagine your breath as a gentle wave. As you inhale, feel the wave rise in your chest or belly. As you exhale, feel the wave gently roll back down. Follow this wave-like sensation with your awareness, completely present with each breath. It's natural for thoughts to wander during this practice. Don't judge yourself if your mind gets caught up in something else. Simply acknowledge the thought, like a cloud passing by in the sky, and then gently guide your attention back to your breath. If you find it helpful, you can introduce a gentle counting system to your breathing. Silently count to 4 on your inhale, feeling your belly rise. Then count to 6 on your exhale, feeling your belly soften. Continue this counting pattern for several breaths and then release the counting and return to simply observing your breath. As you continue to breathe mindfully, notice any physical sensations in your body. Feel the weight of your body against the chair or the surface you're lying on. Notice the temperature of the air around you or the sounds in the environment without getting caught up in them. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back. Wiggle your fingers and toes and take a few deeper breaths. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes. Remember, mindfulness is a practice. Even a few moments of mindful breathing throughout your day can help you feel calmer and more centered. Take a mindful breath when you feel stressed, overwhelmed, or simply need a moment to pause. Thank you for joining us on this mindful breathing practice. We hope this guide becomes helpful in your daily lives.